Hey, it's Jeff with BBQ Plus, and we're going to talk about the Green Mountain grills today. Green Mountain grills, they've got three models. One is a Davy Crockett, which is a small one. This one, which is a Daniel Boone, and then the Bowie. All of them pretty much work the same, but there's a few things that you need to know. I've had, three people over the past couple of months that have been getting rid of their grills because the control panel appears to be completely dead. So they turn the switch on, nothing happens, they just can't get it to go. Now, a new control panel for these guys is about $180, so nothing to be taken lightly. In all three of these, I found something really unique. So let's open these up. I'm going to show you something really important. You want to make sure you pull the power. Make sure that these aren't plugged in when you do this. But right here in line is a fuse. So it's inside this little casing here. Nothing on the back of the controller itself, but inside this little fuse right here is what you need to replace. So again, I was 3 for 3 by replacing that fuse, and that was the culprit. That was what caused all three of those grills not to work. So this is a 5 amp 250 volt fuse. I've picked these up online. I've also picked them up at my local Lowe's and Home Depot. And all you do is just untwist it, put that little fuse in there, tighten it back up again, and you are good to go. So by doing that little step of just replacing that fuse, you'll save yourself $180. That's a pretty good return on investment. I think those fuses are about 60 cents, maybe $1. That's a great deal. So hopefully this helps you out. If you're a Green Mountain user and you see a dead panel, check that fuse first. That just might be what you need to do. Thanks for watching this. Hit the subscribe, like, if you find that this is good information. I'm going to put out some other videos on Green Mountains also, and some of the maintenance on it, how to reset them, how to upgrade the firmware on them. That would probably be useful for you also. Give me your comments, and always make sure you figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. And thanks for watching.